Please note that your car radio must be set to aux in order for the Adaptiv to function properly. To access the Adaptiv, press and hold the source button. Once loaded, you will be presented with an ample choice of options. One of the biggest aspects of the Adaptiv is the iGo Primo navigation system. Through the navigation system, you can calculate and choose fast and easy to follow routes by either laying down a marker on the map or inputting your own zip or postcode. The navigation also includes green routing options as well as stunning 3D visualizations, which will provide a rapid understanding of your next manoeuvre. With the addition of a DAB tuner, you can access a range of DAB channels which can be individually saved onto any of the 10 preset slots. All of the DAB channels found within your search are shown here alphabetically within the list mode. The amount of channels found depends on your location and signal strength. The HDMI option can be utilised by simply plugging in a separately purchased cable into the Adaptiv side port. Once attached to the smartphone, you can then watch videos from your phone on the car's display. By attaching a DVB tuner, you can watch terrestrial television on the car's display, all of which is controlled by the touchscreen. The range of channels available to you is dependent on your location and signal strength. If we head into the settings menu, you are able to alter an array of options. These include whether or not you want an aftermarket camera enabled, the source of both the media in and Navi voice, as well as choosing whether the HDMI input is set to an Apple or Android platform. You can also change the colour display of the Adaptiv, making the tone either vibrant or sombre. Depending on your native tongue, the Adaptiv includes a wide range of languages for you to choose from, all represented by the respective national flag. The Map Data Update feature allows files to be copied from the Navi SD card onto a USB. This can then be updated via your computer. Simply reconnect the USB and update the Navi SD card, all without touching the Adaptiv module. The Adaptiv is a truly versatile experience that has been tailor-made for the modern car user.